Hello friends, welcome to Loxio Tech YouTube channel. Today in this tutorial, I will show you how to back up Windows drivers fast using command prompt without third-party apps. To back up drivers using this method, you need a pen drive of at least 8 GB for Windows 10 and 11 systems. Connect the pen drive and format it with an NTFS partition. Then create a new folder named Divers. Then open Command Prompt with Administrator Privileges. And type the following command shown in this video right now. Replace the drive letter E with your actual USB drive letter and hit Enter. Commands are provided in the video description box. Now it starts exporting drivers to USB. Please wait until it finishes the exporting process. Here in my PC, it's a total of 157 drivers that need to be exported. Exporting the drivers one by one, it will take maybe up to 30 minutes to complete the exporting process. Please wait. Right now, the exporting process is complete. Now close the command prompt and open the USB drive. Here, you can see the exported driver files. It's finished. If you enjoyed this video, then please make sure to subscribe this channel for more tech and tutorials videos. Also make sure to hit the bell icon to get the future upload notifications. And leave a comment if you have any suggestions or doubts. Please share with your friends. Thanks for watching. I hope you had a good time. See you in the next video.